Good morning, retail traders. I'm going to show you a little trading strategy that I tell the room and I tell other people about, and you can see how it kind of worked out today. This is the Sneaky Snake trading strategy. Please hit that like and subscribe for future updates. And Merry Christmas. Well, this is the SPX today. Right at the gate, I took this trade right at open and scalped it on the way up. It's called the early beach trade. And then we come in here with 3 black crows. And I called this trade out also. And we bounced off the 3 black crows and run it up to the 50. Now each one of these are moving averages. We have the 200 SMA right here. We have the 9 EMA. We have the 65 EMA, the 51 EMA, the 21 SMA, and the 50 SMA. So as you get to watch them, you'll learn how to trade off of them. So the next trade that came in, I always say wait for the 200 SMA after it's all said and done. We pulled right back and hit that 200 SMA, and I'll call this trade out first thing this morning, the SPX, and run it up here. This was right before that news came out. And then I wasn't ready. I didn't even think about the news. I just jumped in the trade because it hit the 200 SMA, and I felt like Santa Claus was going to give me a present. So I got in the trade, and then it wasn't a couple minutes later, we had a big old spike on that big old candle, and I got right out. That was a $200 scalp to the 51. And then we waited for a little bit longer, and it came back and it pulled off that 200 SMA. So that 200 SMA is on the 1 minute time frame. You have to have these moving averages set up on that 1 minute time frame. So it came back out again, and I called this trade out. And by gosh, we hit a double top. So that, to me, that's an exit idea if you're a scalper. So I was in this trade within 1 minute and out in 2. I mean, I got in it and then I was out probably in about 3 minutes or less. We hit the double top. And then she went ahead and she just went ahead and broke on out and just kept on running and running and running. It ran all the way up here. This was a $1,000, $1,100 trade from down here right around 340. But that's just one way of scalping and getting out in and out of a trade real fast. And I got lucky. There's no doubt about it that I got lucky on this trade. I was just giggly-eyed and just all shook up. I was just happy as could be. Because when I see a big engulfing candle, I'm going to get out of the trade, no matter what. I'm going to exit the trade. I was up $200 on a contract. It ran all the way to 640 from 370. It was just, I think it was like 315. It was just unbelievable how that thing ran up. I got out of that trade at 570. And same thing right here, in and out when we hit that double top. So that's like an exit idea in most cases. But if you like to stay in trade longer and see if it goes ahead and breaks that double top, take it up to the next resistance, that's fine. But anytime I see an engulfing candle and I'm a scalper, I'm going to get out of that trade. So it pulls back to the 200, run it up to the 50 SMA and get out, 200, run it up to the double top and get out of the trade. So within what, 5, 10, 12, 13 minutes, I was up about $600. And that was it. Off to the beach. So I just wanted to bring you that off the 200 SMA, one of my trades that I'm real good at, but it doesn't always work out. It depends on being in the now. Today it was Santa Claus. Who knows what it's going to be on Monday. Wish you all a great day, retail traders. Thank you.